look at this place. Let's get the poles in first. Okay, I'll hold this end. Got it, almost there. It's standing up, we did it! Let's build a campfire. Wow, look at these trees. The light is so pretty. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, let's go. Listen, birds are talking. Hey, look, footprint. Wow, let's see where they go. Good idea, let's go.
Ready? Let's see who gets the most skips.
Wow, it skipped 4 times. Look, a fish. Wow, these flowers are so pretty. Let's pick a big bunch for everyone. Let's explore more. Yeah, let's go. Come on, let's climb. It's getting steeper. I see the top. Wow, we made it.
This is the best spot for a photo.
Everyone smile big.
This will be a great memory.
Here, I saved the best one for you. Wow, thanks. It looks yummy. This is the best picnic ever. That cloud looks like a bear. Wow, it really does. Wow, pretty. It's so pretty.
I love it.
Let's go, the tent. Wow, it's cozy. Yeah, we made it. Wow, a rainbow. The fire's so warm. Yeah, and the stars are so bright. A shooting star.
Hey, make a wish.
And then we found a secret cave. Wow, what was inside?
Treasure, and we shared it.
So many stars. Good morning, everyone. Wow, look, the sunrise. So, new day, new adventure. Best adventure ever.
Like the video, subscribe the channel, share to friends.